hours. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you very fresh, as in naka-fresh, na fresh pa iso ng fresca tuna. Na fresh pa iso ng biofresh. Na fresh pa iso ng detay modest nga fresh na fresh ang feeling. Ladies and gentlemen, may kumare, may kasin, may ipag nga dungdung maklaunay, Joji Aguilar Aquino. May kapelang ta i-dedicate mo deta, di ba? On center stage, humahamon kay Doktora at kay Engineer Roland Tamayo. Okay, say hi muna. Okay ba yung sounds? Oh. Itempla na pa ilaang? Meron? Ay, hindi naka-on. Oh, sige nga.
Mo inambush dak mo.
Yung magandang ano nga, parang yung kanina,
ambush ko na ni
Jimper.
Doktora ngam ko assassin sa deto yung na may anda. Hanga ambush.
Pero okay lang. Di
Jak
ba?
amot agkanta. Ngam ala. Padasik lata ang
Bahala kayo dyan.
bahalan to ni Danny nga magdagnan.
Okay, ladies and gents, I dedicate mo deta kay ni Sir
I
Villano.
dedicate this song to my husband, of course. My children, Saneka, Jaya, Seji, Tristan and JM, Kaya and Shanti. Kanda giti kakabsat ko ni Mang Aileen, Mang Rowena, ni Derek, ni Mang Nini. Kanda giti na kay kamangak.
The Aquinos, the Albanos, the Aguilars, the Salutares.
Hang ka umagkanta.
Nung pinilit na deta angkor ka na.
Pinilit na kaya to engineer ajak sa kayat.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I give you to sing Having You Near Me by Air Supply. Pabalindeta.
I came to you whenever was too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. Past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's use. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. You're brave to say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright.
Ay, wow! Dato kahana mo kanta nga talaga, Dito pa nalipatan nga pang-idedicatan.
Ay, dagiti friends ko ni Joel. Kumpad ko nga Joel ni Ruby. Kan amin Ray. Holding you near me, I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. Ay, kastamot
Ayan.
ka ni Ma'am Sel, ka ni Ma'am Mary J. Manegdeg, ka ni Mang Rudy. Thank you, thank you.